Hey guys, it's me, Erin, and I'm really tired. It is like 5 something in the morning, and I got ready, I'm packed, and yeah, let's hit the beach. Oh, first, let's go say hi to Rebecca. Hey guys, we're back and we're in South Carolina.
Woo! We just went to south of the border and now we're going to our hotel.
Yeah, and our hotel is at least an hour and a half away, so I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I've been waiting for this forever.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll have a good view so I can take pictures. And we'll take pictures. I'll take pictures on my Instagram, and that's what I saw in the description. And
You better put mine in the description too. So
yeah, okay, yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys later.
Yeah, we'll see you guys when we enter Myrtle Beach. Bye.
My stomach doesn't get messed up with food.
Corn dog.
32-33.
What did you get?
I had a hot dog with an Oreo shake. With fries.
Let's taste it.
Hot. I'm gonna call you. Is that for your fries?
Yeah. Okay.
Best food place ever.
So I'll see you after we finish because we're going to the grocery store. See ya. Hey.
We just had Cookout, my favorite restaurant or fast food place ever in the
Actually,
world.
that was really good.
I told you the shakes are really good.
I got corn dog and French fries and
Got an Oreo milkshake, it was the best.
I had chocolate milkshake too. And
So
right now
good.
we're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, if you didn't know.
I think they did.
And I think right now we're walking to the boardwalk. Oh my gosh. That person just swinged on a slingshot. I was like, pew! Okay,
Yeah,
we're gonna walk past the Sky Wheel.
Yep.
We might go on it this week. I'm not sure. I actually hope we do.
Yeah.
There's also a coupon in there that's $1 off and
A
stuff.
wall, like tiles of people.
Oh, here guys, it's like really cool wall.
All these tiles that people made.
It's a make a difference tile.
Wow.
And there's a
Look at
playground.
this one right here. With the world.
Hey guys, so it's like, what time is it?
It is 9:34.
It's 9:34, and
You're
so we're
watching.
gonna start getting ready for bed. And
We're gonna watch a movie, Jurassic World, because our hotel has like free movies and stuff. Go away!
Yeah, that's our dad. Okay, so we're on our balcony and we had fun today. Sorry I couldn't film that much. We just weren't really doing that much. But tomorrow we have a bunch of stuff
We're
planned.
going to the beach.
Yep, and we're gonna go to like the aquarium and maybe some putt-putt. And yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of fun stuff
But
planned.
yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow my links.
Yeah, mine
and
too.
maybe Becca's. Okay.
Bye.